Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we have this cool, amazing product right here. If you guys can see, basically what it is a pushback chair, or you guys can call it a leather chair that you can sit on and everything. A lot of people use this chair or this product in particular for like a theater kind of like chair or whatnot that you can use at home or whatever. So you guys can see this is basically how big the package is and everything. It's quite big. So let me show you guys what the inside looks like first. So this is what the inside looks like. You can see the packaging and everything. It's gonna be hard for me to show you guys what it looks like if I do it with one hand. So let me take it out first. So they do also provide you guys the instruction to teach you guys how to put on and all the different parts. So you guys can see right here, they provide the two different parts that they show you guys for the bottom of the legs itself, how to attach it on. Then there's this part right here. Then show you guys how to attach it on here. And then show you guys how to use it. So everything is all manually to use the product itself. There's no button to like push it up and down, but right here you can see that all the parts are here, so there's no screw or anything involved. All you guys have to do is snap it on and then just screw this part on here manually, and you guys are all set. And I also tell you guys to avoid exposing your furniture directly to sunlight or heating or any kind of air conditioning outlets and whatnot right here, if you can see. So that way I guess it won't like damage the material or the actual leather itself on the actual product itself. So when you guys first get the product and everything on the inside, this is basically what it looks like. So this is the bottom part of the actual product itself. So you guys need to screw on the actual part right here, and the other two corners as well. I believe that's what this is. So let's open this one up first. Alright, so we will open up the inside. This is basically what it looks like right here. So they do provide the four little rollers, I guess you can call it, but it's not really rollable. But you have to screw this onto the bottom part like this. Just screw it on like that, and then it could be the bottom of the frame itself. So when you guys apply this on, you guys want to make sure you guys put this part here first, so that way it won't scratch up the product right here or whatever. So just like that. And then just screw it on for all four corners like this. Alright, that's good. Let's do the same for all three other corners. Alright, so you guys have this part right here, and then this is the back part right here. So you guys want to attach this part in the back to this part right here, and it becomes one full set and whatnot. So let me actually do that first. And you guys want to push it all the way, so make sure it snaps. Once you guys hear the snap, then it should be fine. And if you guys ever want to release it, you guys can press the bottom part right here inside to release it. But once you guys finish that, just let go, and you guys are all set. And then you guys also tape the bottom part, so that way it's covered. So that's the full chair itself in the back side. And this is what it looks like in the front side. So this is basically what it looks like once you guys fully assembled everything. You guys get three positions on here. So you guys get the first position, which is what you guys see right here when I'm sitting like this. Second one, you guys can push it up like this, and you just get like a little leg rest and whatnot. And then for the third and final one, you have to push it again, so you get a sleeping motion just like this. And then when you get it done, just pull it back up like really easily, push it down like this, and you guys are all set. So really easy to kind of assemble and everything, really easy to kind of use. There's no button to assign anything, so everything's all manual. Alright, so now that we finished assembling everything and show you guys how it looks like once we sit on it and everything, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So the product itself is actually really cool and really easy to assemble. You guys can see I can just do everything manually like this, just like how I showed you guys earlier. Really easy to kind of close and open it. It is comfortable, and it's also waterproof, which is pretty nice as well. I don't believe all of their actual product itself on the actual chair itself is all waterproof, but this one is waterproof because of the material that they use on here. But basically, to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not, I think this one is actually really worth it if you guys want one and need one of these. Especially if you guys are looking for like a leather chair kind of like this, where you guys get like the home theater kind of vibe. This is actually really worth it. There are some out there that has like the little massage part in the back part of here, or like the heating option. Those are cool, but I feel like it's not really good, especially if I use it for a long period of time and whatnot, because of the fact that I heard a lot of people say like the back part right here, if you guys have the massage part right there, it sticks out. So sometimes if you guys don't want to get a massage, you just want to sit down and relax, that part sticks out and it's not comfortable. So that's why I got this one instead of those. But regardless of which one you guys get, it's up to you guys on your preference, but this one is definitely worth it if you guys want one. And then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have no use for one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for a quick unboxing and testing on the product itself. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day, we have